This video will show you how to 100% detect if an email or a text that you get is a scam. Lucky me, I got an amazing deal from Costco to get a $100 reward. So I copy the screen or take a screenshot or a photo and just paste it into ChatGPT and ask it to tell you what it thinks of the email. And as you can see straight away, it starts saying, yes, it's a scam. It looks at things like the sender address, and you can see straight away the sender address is suspect. It looks at the fake sender notice. It looks at the content of the email and also the threatening language at the bottom, which is very common for scammers, and a fake unsubscribe and tracking link, which is very common to see as well. So that's the first way. The second way is to look at the message header. A little bit more complicated, but in your email, you can go and look at messages and headers, and you'll see a whole bunch of gobbledygook. Just copy that. Once you've copied it all, you take it over to ChatGPT and paste it in. And what ChatGPT is going to do is analyze that message header and pretty much give you the same, but an even more accurate way of determining whether an email is fake. So there you can see I've pasted it in and I hit send. And straight away, ChatGPT has determined it's fake. So you can see the domain sender is not from Costco. The from field has been spoofed, which means it's pretending to be from someone else. The $100 lure, it's detected. And most importantly, the unsubscribe links, which if you clicked on to say, I don't want to receive this, is actually going to take you to a malicious website. The mail has also been routed through a number of really suspect fake servers. And there's a few other little warning signs about a false validation of the email message domain. There's also some strange formatting going on in the code. So in conclusion, it's a 100% certainty. Here I've got a text from Australia Post. And again, I can take a screenshot, or you can even just take a photo with your phone and drop it into ChatGPT. This is a common one in Australia, and I know it is overseas too, especially if you're delivering packages. It's easy to fall for this. And you can see straight away, it says it's not from Australia Post. Be sure to include the phone number in what you've copied and pasted in the photo, because that +63 is from Malaysia. There's odd wording and formatting straight away that's visible. And once again, there's urgency and pressure tactics inside of the text message. It picked up the phone number origin, which is not the country code of Australia. Here's another really fast example. So lucky me, super free emergency kit. Copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and let it do its thing. And you can see straight away, same things have been detected: suspicious sender, too good to be true offer, suspicious unsubscribes, and you've got a 100% certain way of doing it. We can do the same and copy the header message, paste that into ChatGPT, and once again, it will do its thing and go through the email header message and even more accurately tell you that there's a lot of red flags in here. So the Flipkart address, misleading return, suspicious infrastructure, misleading routing, and a message that it's totally a scam. So look, remember, check before you click. And thank you for watching as always. And don't forget to like and subscribe and stay safe out there. Thank you.